want to show you guys this. It's my new car. 2009 Honda Fit. It is the LX model from Canada. So if anyone else has one of these in the United States, let me know, because I'm learning things that are already fun. We had a run-in with the radio where I couldn't get the code for it. Called US, they said nope. Called Canada, they said nope. And opened the glove box and there it was. So what we got here? Gray interior, dark gray. 107,000 kilometers. And all I know that I'm aware of that needs issue is the ABS lights on. But yeah, turn that off so I don't get copyright stuff, but it is a stick shift. Dog hair everywhere. I'll just show you what I'm on about. The magic seats. Look at all that. Oh, it's gonna take forever. But I have the proper tools and hopefully the proper know-how to make things work. That was a bit hard. And we'll have the dealership fix that. Okay, enough of me jabbering. Let's clean some roofs. Oh, how sweet it is when it rains and the sun's out. Lovely. That's so peaceful. I was working on the car and it started to rain. I'm like, what? Sun's out. Cool. That's what I gotta do. Put the roof rack on the car. I'd be wondering why I get such a cargo-based vehicle and still put a roof rack on it. Because of America. So I get the thingamajigger attached to the whatchamajigger. Right. I know I can extend these out a little farther, but the instruction manual said I'd have plenty of space. That does not look good. I'll figure it out. Although, I'm getting close to the extremes there, but it should work. So I got the feet figured out. Just gotta wiggle them a little bit, and those were set correctly. Just had to rotate those. They have some give because, you know, it's not symmetrical front to back. What do you think? I think it looks pretty tough. I'm liking it already. This car is getting the all black theme pretty quick. Oh, sun's in that. I'll show you what I'm going to do eventually. I'm probably going to put some white vinyl on the roof so the summer it's not so hot. But we'll get there. And I'll bring you along. I had to clean up the wheels a little bit, but there it is. Full install. And you might be wondering why I just did this on a whim. Because I'm going to bike to work day tomorrow and I need to install this thing, which I thought I'd just throw it on there, but no, there's like 1,000 different bolts I got to put together. So we got the fit, the bike for bike to work day tomorrow.